I worked with a guy that was like that, man. It was just the worst. You hear them talk about their kids at the game, and I'm like, is it your kid's game or is it your game?
Yeah.
Seriously, grow
point,
up.
right.
I mean, really, man, let the kids have some fun and play and just enjoy themselves, really. All right, good morning, everybody. 15 minutes after 6. Look at that sunrise shot. Pretty out there. We do have some mid-level clouds, high-level clouds spilling through the area right now. 61 degrees, 34 in the Big Bear, 53 up into the high deserts. But the valley has been rather warm this morning, mid-60s as the atmosphere continues to get stirred up through the area. Here's what's going on. We do have wind advisories. You can see those tan areas all the way out to 40 to 15 off to the east, down in towards Palm Springs, LA, Ventura County Mountains. You're getting the drift here. These continue through 6 o'clock. These are north-northwest winds. The golds you're seeing right now go into effect tomorrow night, Thursday night through Friday. What is today? Wednesday? Yeah, Thursday night through Friday morning. Those are high wind watches for LA, Ventura County Mountains, which means the winds are going to really tighten up and get howling up there. That will become a high wind warning. Right now it is a watch Thursday night through Friday morning. Just want to give you a heads up as those gusty winds will start to build in. As the high moves towards the area, one low kicks off to the east, another one drops into the Great Basin, and as long as we have the high offshore and the other one just moving into the interior, those pressure gradients are tight between the high and the low. That fires up those winds out of the north-northwest. The only thing I'm kind of amazed about is we haven't seen much of an eddy kicking up. Usually when you get these northwest winds, it kind of spills it up around Santa Catalina, but not the case. 80 today, 73 at the beaches. The valley's 88, so we all come up, take care of your pets. Tomorrow we come down just a little bit. Then we start to move back up on Friday. But look at Saturday, the warmest day, 88 to 90 on the basin. You get 5 or 6 kilometers from the coast, you're going to feel it. The beaches will be 85. The valleys will move into the mid-90s for the Inland Empire. 85 today, same for tomorrow. Then we'll average around 86 to 87 for the high desert, 78, 75 on Thursday. For the mountains, 67, 66 on Thursday, and those winds will continue to blow. So once again, if you're going out to Havasu, Parker, the Big X, as I like to call it, or out towards Vegas, prepare yourself over the next 24 to 36 hours. It will be windy out there. Let's take a check of traffic right now. Steph's in with it.